right? Another thing I want to talk about is particle physics. Yay! Right, my physics teacher suggested I do Christmas particle physics. I'm not entirely sure what Christmas particle physics is, but I do particle physics at Christmas. So, basics of particle physics, you get pretty much, there's quarks, leptons, and bosons. And they're antiparticles. Right? So the quarks, there are 4 flavors of quarks. Up, down, charm, strange, top 5 flavors of quarks. Up, down, charm, strange, top, bottom. 6 flavors of quarks. Up, down, charm, strange, top, bottom. 6 flavors of quarks. Up, down, charm, strange, top, bottom. I don't know why charm is strange. Quarks, it's a James Joyce reference. It's from Finnegan's Wake. It says, 3 quarks for Mr. Mark. I don't know why. And if it wasn't a word already, it could have gone into the future. James Joyce could have gone into the future and been talking about... It could have gone into the future and been talking about giving him subatomic particles. I don't know who Mr. Mark... I've never read Finnegan's Wake. I have no idea who any of these people are. But quarks make up hadrons. Hadrons, not hardons, hadrons. So you either come in pairs with me, something that's a quark and an antiquark. Antiquarks having same mass and opposite charge to quarks. That's a quark and an antiquark. Or into hadrons, which are 3 quarks or 3 antiquarks. Not hadrons, baryons. There are both types of hadrons. A baryon is 3 quarks and antiquark. They include things like protons and neutrons that make atoms. There are also leptons, and you've, again, 6 types. There are electrons, electron neutrinos, muons, muon neutrinos, and tau neutrinos. And neutrinos are fucking tiny, and they don't have any charge, and they're very difficult to spot, but they're all over the place and coming out of the sunlight, and they're not going to mutate so that they interact with matter and cause earthquakes and main prophecies. 2012 being one of the worst films ever for science, I think. And they all have their antiparticles. The electrons have positrons, and then the other ones have less imaginative names. Electron, antineutrino, antimuon, anti-tau. They're boring names. In the quarks, it's up antiquark, down antiquark, etc. Positron is the only imaginatively named antiparticle, I think. And quarks are always come in groups. In hadrons. Said it right that time, fuck you, Freud! And what they do, to get at the particles that come out when these things smash together, because you get all sorts of exotic stuff that you don't get in real life, when you smash them together, you need to get them to really high energies, right? That's what they do in the Hadron Collider. It's essentially Jeremy Clarkson physics. If Jeremy Clarkson was a physicist, this is what he'd come up with. How can we find these exotic particles? More power! And you smash them together really hard, and it does more science the harder you smash them together, eventually. That's all. Goodbye. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year, noobs who use the Gregorian calendar.